What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's one package just arrived and let's go unbox it. So basically, before I don't have a stand before. This is what I used, and like it just has a rubber band. It doesn't really fit here because it's too small, right? And also the iPhone 10, it doesn't really fit. I tried to stick it together using the rubber band so that it won't fall off. Sorry guys, it took me about 3 weeks to record another video because I was waiting for the packages to arrive and it caused a delay due to the coronavirus outbreak, the cancellation of my orders. So this is what I typically do to my stand. Look. So yeah, it's not nice. It's not the best. So that's why I bought this. Ta-da. So today we're gonna unbox it. So let's begin. So this, yeah. So here it is. So it's Zhiyun. I look like Chinese, but I don't know how to pronounce Zhiyun, I guess. Zhiyun Smooth 4. So yeah, let's open it. So it's been a long time since I recorded a video. 3 weeks, I guess. To my viewers, I'm sorry for not updating, but don't worry, because in this week my PC set would be complete. Main PC build, the desk, the monitor, and also the chair. So yeah, here it is. Zhiyun Smooth 4. So ta-da! Wow, I really like the case. What's this? So I think this is a manual. Yeah, it's a manual now. Who watches manual, right? No, I'm kidding. So there's nothing more inside the box. Wow, I really like the case. It's like a premium. Oh no! Wow! Amazing! It has a texture like that. I don't know if the camera can see it, but like it has something like it's not just plain. So let's try it out. And I also like this because it has a stand. Look. So I can also hold it when I'm vlogging. So you have your wires, your cables, so that you can charge it. So yeah, let's try. I'm excited. Zhiyun. Ooh, look. It's not that heavy, but like it has some weight on it. It's what you expect from a stabilizer. Look, see that? It's still not on. Let's try my iPhone.
20 minutes later.
I've heard that you have to balance it first before you turn it on. Oh, my phone's too heavy. Or is it? Right there. Nice. So how do you turn this on? Okay, my first time. How do you turn this on? How do you turn this on? Yo, I gotta read the manual. Yeah, it's a manual now. Who watches manual, right?
Oh my god!
So, charge it first. Availability with Ooh! Oh my god, Zhiyun. Amazing. See that? Wow! Expect my videos to be legit as hell. Like, I'm so excited shooting any kind of product. What? I'm so amazed. So guys, that's the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next video.